Okay, good morning to all of you, and this is Ketish. I'm going to start one topic that is called global warming, and it is one of the hot topic nowadays. So we'll discuss about what is global warming, what are the causes of global warming, what is the effect of global warming, and how it affecting environment and how it is related to climate change. Okay, let's start. So, global warming is a phenomenon of climate change characterized by a general increase in average temperatures of the Earth, which modifies the weather balances and ecosystem for a long time. It is directly linked to the increase in greenhouse gases in our atmosphere. So, let's understand what is the mechanism that is happen in global warming. Okay, so you can see this is the earth. Okay, this is the earth surface, and this is the atmosphere. There's various different sphere is there, troposphere, stratosphere, and these all sphere are there. And you can see that is a red envelope. There is envelope, we can say that is a gaseous envelope that is contains carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. These are called as greenhouse gases. Okay, they are present in the lower atmosphere. Okay, so that causes two ways. The global warming is caused by natural effects, natural causes, and human enhanced causes. Naturally, it is caused due to deforestations and volcanoes, okay, and other causes are there, okay. Then human induced, how human induced is affecting. Let's discuss about what is the mechanism, how it happens. This is the sun. From sun, earth receive solar radiation in the form of a long wave radiation. Some of the heat is absorbed here, and again the heat is re-radiated from the earth surface to the atmosphere. Okay, when it re-radiate to the atmosphere, here some of the gases, they are called greenhouse gases. They called as carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane. So these gases have the tendency, specifically in carbon dioxide, they have bipolar structures. So they have capture those re-radiated heat and again transfer to the lower atmosphere of the earth's surface. So this phenomenon is continue for long years, a long time. Okay, the amount of heat is wanted to actually escape from the earth. They are not actually escaped, they are remains in the lower atmosphere and heated up the lower atmosphere of the earth's surface. So they are emitted in the in terms of long term or long wave radiation. Okay, so in same thing is happening in case of human induced specifically uh, coal, fossil fuel burning. That fossil fuel burning emits more carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and other gases. Deforestation uh, and vehicular emissions. Okay, these are a lot of things, a lot of reasons are there. For that, greenhouse gas emitted, and they are present in the lower atmosphere. They are trap the re-radiated heat from the Earth's surface and heated up the lower atmosphere. Okay, so this is the mechanism behind the global warming. For that reason, the temperature of the lower atmosphere is gradually increasing. Okay, is gradually increasing, so that causes global warming. Next we come to what are the factors responsible for global warming. So that you can see that burning of coal, oil and gases, that is we can say fossil fuels. Okay, cutting down of forest or deforestation, fertilizer containing nitrogen, so nitrogen fertilizer that were applied to the field, they are the key reasons for emitting nitrous oxides. And paddy cultivation is the key culprit for emitting methane gas. Okay, in case of livestock farming, they are also emitting methane gas from their in the form of respiration or enterogastric formations. Okay, then we come to the what are the fluorinated gas. These are due to CFC gases, due to air conditioning, aerosol spray, electrical distribution system, then refrigerators and insulation. So this some of the reasons they're also responsible for the emitting greenhouse gases and also responsible for global warming. Next is greenhouse gas. What are the greenhouse gases? The carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxides. These are the basic three things are uh, greenhouse gases. Apart from that, water vapor is also play a significant role for or is one of the greenhouse gas we can consider. Then the fluorinated gas. Fluorinated gas is the HFC, hydrofluorocarbons, NF3, nitrogen trifluorides, PFC, perfluorocarbons, and SF6, sulfur hexafluorides. So these are the fluorinated carbon or chlorofluorocarbons. They are also responsible for the these are the greenhouse gases. So regarding greenhouse gases, we can say there will be another session that is I will discuss about details about the greenhouse gases, global warming potential of the greenhouse gases, and all other things associated with this. Okay, then we come to next. So this is the mean monthly global temperature carbon dioxide concentrations. We can say carbon dioxide in terms of ppm. Okay, here is the 1980 and 22. Okay, between 1980 and 22, the carbon dioxide concentration is gradually increasing. Okay, and it reached up to 417. Sorry, 423. This is the data from NOAA. 423 ppm by 2024. Okay, next, and that increasing concentration of the carbon dioxide is responsible for global warming or increasing global temperature. So this is a graph that contains which gas is how much responsible for global warming. Here we can say around 65 plus 11, 76% of 76 carbon dioxide is responsible for 76%, methane is 16%, nitrous oxide is 6%, and fluorinated gas is for 2%. How what are the sources? Sources is fossil fuel and industrial process. The burning of fossil fuel um, fossil fuel that emits carbon dioxides, forest forestry and land use pattern, the changing land use pattern, deforestation also emits the carbon dioxide. They're responsible for emission of carbon dioxide. So okay, around 75% of the uh, gaseous component. If you see the gaseous component, carbon dioxide is the 75% and rest 25% is other gases. Okay, then we next come to the what are the different sources and how their contributions from electricity and heat production in thermal power plant. Okay, it is responsible for 25%. Agricultural, forestry, and other land use changes, it is responsible for 24%. Transportations in industrial practices, it's also 21%. Transportation 14%. Other energy estimation of the energy production system, that is also emit 20%, 10%, and buildings, they are also responsible for 6%. So these are the global warming effects. What are the effects? How the temperature, increasing temperature affecting different components of the earth system. So we can say that first, starting from the sea level rise due to uh, rising global temperature, the ice, the sea ice, the ice level is melting, and the rise of sea level. Okay, the ice cap is melting, and that also leads to sea level rise. Okay, the coral reefs or the biodiversity present in the oceans, they are also damaged due to decarbonation and other changes. Okay, then we come to the stronger storm. Frequent floods, frequent cyclones are also affecting due to some of the uh, atmospheric phenomena. Okay, these are also changing rain and snow patterns also causes. Due to this, migration migration of animals and their life cycle is almost changing. So for that reason, uh, even in animals, even a human being also changing their migrate due to climate change issues. Okay, then we come to the high temperature and more heat waves. We are feeling in during rabi season or during summer season. More heat wave we are facing. Okay, more drought and wildfires also automatically going on due to extreme heat level. Then the permafrost, throwing permafrost also. Permafrost is the permanent ice layer of the, okay, ice layer, and of the glaciers of the what tundra or zones, they are also melting. Okay, so these are the series of changing. More diseases are coming, more frequent flood, climate induced extremities also coming, cloud burst. All these things are happening due to global warming and their effects. Okay, so thank you for listening.